A perverse man sows strife, and a whisperer separates the best of friends. Rest in the Lord, and wait patiently for him. Do not fret because of him who prospers in his way, because of the man who brings wicked schemes to pass. Better is a little with righteousness, than vast revenues without justice. But the wisdom that is from above is first pure, then peaceable, gentle, willing to yield, full of mercy and good fruits, without partiality and without hypocrisy. Do not withhold good from those to whom it is due, when it is in the power of your hand to do so. Treasures of wickedness profit nothing, but righteousness delivers from death. But above all, my brethren, do not swear either by heaven or by earth or with any other oath. But let your yes be yes, and your no, no, lest you fall into judgment.